India map locations. So remaining locations, some more important locations also there. So I would like to locate the remaining India map locations. So please be careful and please be concentrate and observe the locations. So in the previously I did told you that this is the Mumbai. So Mumbai
north side of Mumbai.
north, one mountain.
North side of Mumbai, Nasik near
Nasik
near Triambak Plateau. Triambak Plateau near Nasik is the birthplace of Godavari.
Origin. Also located there. Nasik near Triambak is the birthplace for
Godavari river.
Godavari.
So that is the birthplace joined in Bay of Bengal.
This like we need to draw river Godavari.
River Godavari and the mouth of the river Godavari, Godavari Delta.
Godavari
Delta.
Okay, later this. The north side of Mumbai, the Triambak, Nasik was located. From that is the birthplace, origin place of the river Godavari. Like you need to draw
south side of Mumbai.
Godavari river.
South side of Mumbai.
Now Mumbai, south side of Mumbai.
Mahabaleshwar Plateau.
This is the
Mahabaleshwar is the birthplace of river Krishna.
Birthplace for Krishna river.
Important tributary.
Important tributary which was matched with the Krishna.
Tungabhadra river. Tungabhadra river is the important tributary of Krishna river.
Tungabhadra river
birthplace
of
is Karnataka. Tungabhadra river
Krishna
birthplace
river,
Karnataka, Western Ghats.
This delta, Krishna delta.
Krishna delta.
Okay, so like you have to draw the Krishna
We'll
river.
identify
Later,
some places.
so this one is
So
Chennai. Before I was
Chennai.
identified.
Chennai we should
Chennai is the
identify.
capital of
North side of Chennai is the
north side of
birthplace.
Chennai, the border place.
North side of Chennai is the border place
Penna.
in between Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. That is Kaveri river.
Okay.
Sorry, Penna river. Penna river is the border place. The Pulicat lake is also located there. Pulicat
River
lake.
Kaveri.
Kaveri.
Kaveri delta. This one is river.
We have identified 4 rivers. Kaveri river. No?
River Kaveri and Kaveri delta. Like
Godavari,
very important South
Krishna,
Indian rivers
Penna,
are located
Kaveri.
in different places. You need to identify. So we will go to some other more important mountains. Now I will tell you the important mountains in India. So this is
Himalaya mountains are a very
Himalaya
important mountain range. It is very important for map pointing. You should be draw like this. Himalayas. Himalayas divided into 3 parallel ranges. Northern Himalayas or Himadri.
So Himalayas are 3 ranges. This is the
Northern, the highest mountain is Himadri.
Himadri.
South side of Himadri, Lesser Himalayas.
Like 3 parallel ranges. You need to identify.
South side of Lesser Himalayas, Outer Himalayas are
This is Garo
Shivaliks. Now we are identifying the hills,
and Jayantaya hills.
plateaus,
The 3 plateaus.
plateaus or hills
Located in
small
Meghalaya. Meghalaya
in
was
Meghalaya.
based on these districts.
1969, the state was formed
Garo hills.
based on the 3 districts, yes, mountain hills regions.
Kashi.
Garo Hills, Kasi Hills, and Jayante Hills.
Kashi hills.
Garo Hills, Kasi Hills, and Jayante Hills. Jayante Hills.
Jayante.
These 3 are important hills in Meghalaya.
Next, the Purvanchal hills are one.
Now we are identifying Purvanchal Hills. These are the continuous the
And
Himalayas,
then
continue
northeastern
Himalayas in
state of India.
northeastern states.
Arunachal Pradesh.
We are identifying Arunachal Pradesh. There, Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh.
Capital Itanagar. Itanagar. Okay, located here. So this is Arunachal Pradesh.
In Arunachal Pradesh, the Himalayas, lesser Himalaya mountain, Patkai Hills are there.
Mountain ranges
Patkai
are there.
Hills.
These are called as
Patkai
Patkai
Hills.
Hills.
Patkai Hills in Arunachal Pradesh. In
These are
Nagaland,
later Arunachal Pradesh,
Nagaland.
Nagaland,
Manipur, Mizoram,
In Nagaland, these are called
Naga
as
Hills.
Naga Hills.
Nagaland, Naga Hills.
Naga Hills. Naga Hills. In Manipur, these are
Manipuri
called as
Hills.
Manipuri Hills.
In Manipur, Manipuri Hills.
Manipuri.
Manipur Hills.
In Mizoram, these
Mizoram,
are called
Mizo
as
Hills.
Mizo Hills. In Mizoram, these are called as
Mizo Hills.
Mizo.
Including
Right.
all these,
Including these
they are called
are
Purvanchal Hills.
the northeastern
Purvanchal.
Himalayan mountain region is called as the Purvanchal Hills.
Purvanchal Hills. Purvanchal Hills located in northeastern states.
Purvanchal Hills. So the Arunachal Pradesh capital Itanagar and Nagaland, Manipur. Manipur, Kohima, Nagaland, Imphal. Manipur capital is Kohima
Manipur, Kohima.
and Nagaland capital Imphal.
Nagaland, Kohima.
Imphal and
Manipur,
Kohima.
Imphal.
Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Aichwal,
Aizawl is the capital of
Tripura.
Tripura, Agartala.
This is Tripura capital.
Agartala. Tripura capital, Agartala.
Tripura capital, Agartala.
Nagaland capital,
Agartala is the Tripura capital. So,
Kohima only.
Dispur
So
and Shillong.
Manipur capital, Imphal. We should make it change.
Dispur is the capital of Assam.
Dispur is the capital. Dispur is the capital.
Shillong is the capital of
Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. It's okay.
Meghalaya. So like these are very very important. Northeastern states and hill stations are very important. So near Khasi Hills.
Near Khasi Hills, some important places are there. The highest rainfall occurring in the world, the Masandram and Cherrapunji. Masandram and Cherrapunji located near
Highest
Khasi Hills
rainfall area.
in Meghalaya.
Cherrapunji is also near. Cherrapunji.
Cherrapunji.
Cherrapunji and Masandram are
Masandram
located
is
near
the largest,
Khasi Hills. These are
one of the largest rainfall occurring area in
regions
India.
In the world.
In the world
located
also.
in Meghalaya. It is also very important location in India. So later some other important mountain ranges like
Aravalli Mountains in
these
Rajasthan.
are Aravalli Mountains.
Aravalli Mountains in Rajasthan.
Aravalli
Very
mountain,
important in exam point of view.
So these are mountain ranges, three.
Outer Himalayas,
This entire
the south side of Himalaya,
Indo-Gangetic
Plain, the largest one of the important plain in the world,
Indo-Gangetic plain.
largest plain in the world. In India, it is very largest plain,
This
Indo-Gangetic
entire part
plain.
is called as Peninsular India.
South side of the entire region come under the peninsular India. It is peninsular India divided two parts. The central highlands, within the central highland, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau will come. The Malwa Plateau we have identified.
Plateau region
Malwa Plateau, that is.
and Chota
Chota Nagpur Plateau, rich mineral resources were found in Chota Nagpur Plateau. These two are come under the central highlands, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Malwa Plateaus. Plateau both are come under the central highlands.
The HM point of view, because the rich mineral resources we have found in Chota
Chota
Nagpur
Nagpur Plateau, Malwa Plateau.
So Bundelkhand and
The other
Baghel
two,
places also
the plateau regions are there.
Bundelkhand.
So northeastern side of Malwa Plateau, Bundelkhand.
This is the Bundelkhand.
Bundelkhand Plateau. Bundelkhand is one of the area in Uttar Pradesh. It is Uttar Pradesh region only,
Plateau.
south
This
side.
is the Bundelkhand.
Bundelkhand.
Bundelkhand Plateau.
Baghelkhand
This one
Plateau.
is Baghelkhand.
The north-west side of Chotanagpur region, Baghelkhand Plateau. Baghelkhand Plateau, Bundelkhand Plateau.
So like Indo-Gangetic
Both you
Plain,
have to
Malwa
do it
Plateau,
is
Chotanagpur Plateau,
essential.
later west flowing rivers. So this is
That is the Gujarat. Once again we are identifying. So west flowing river, then river Narmada,
Narmada,
river Tapati,
later river Tapti,
river Tapti and river Narmada.
river Narmada,
River Narmada, but the place is Madhya Pradesh only.
this one is river
Madhya
Narmada.
Pradesh, river Narmada, birthplace. Madhya Pradesh, river Tapati, birthplace is also Madhya Pradesh. Amarkantak is the birthplace
Tapti.
of
So
Narmada.
south side of river Narmada, the mountains are there. These are
North side of Narmada, mountain range, Vindhya Mountains. Vindhya Mountains.
Vindhya Mountains.
Vindhya Mountains, north side of Narmada.
Mountains.
In between Narmada and Tapati,
mountains.
Satpura Mountains.
Also there.
In between Narmada and Tapati, Satpura Mountain.
Satpura Mountains.
Satpura mountain ranges.
Satpura Mountains. So south side of Narmada, a triangular.
The triangular landmass is called Deccan Plateau. Very important.
Deccan Plateau.
South side of Narmada, a triangular landmass is called as Deccan Plateau. So northern corners are Satpura
South side of
Mountains.
Narmada, a triangular landmass is called as the Deccan Plateau.
South side boundary of
The
Deccan Plateau,
northeastern
Nilgiris,
mountain
will
ranges,
identify later.
Mahadev Hills,
Some other
Michael
plateaus,
Mahadev Hills,
Michael, Mahadev Hills, and
etc. is there northeastern side. So
Kaimur Plateau also there. Kaimur.
west coastal plain. This is called
Along the Arabian Sea,
west
the west
coast
coastal
of
plain, narrow wider
Arabian
this is.
Sea. Along the
Narrow
west
wider.
coast of Arabian Sea, west
You
coastal
should
plain.
remember that narrow wider west coastal plain.
Here, the continuous mountains are spread from
the
north to south.
Western Ghats.
Western Ghats.
Western Ghats are continuous mountains. Average height 2000 meters.
Western Ghats.
Western Ghats. Average height through 2000 meters. Length 1600
along the
kilometers
east
from
coast,
Rann of Kutch to
East
Kanyakumari.
coastal plain is large.
East coastal plain are wider
Wider
plains compared to west coastal plain. East coastal plains are wider.
East coastal plain
It is advantage to grow many crops.
compared to west coastal
Delta
plain.
regions are there: Godavari Delta, Krishna Delta, Kaveri,
The
Penna,
mountains are not
Mahanadi
continuous
River. So
mountains.
these
Eastern Ghats are not.
Eastern Ghats are not continuous mountains. You
These
should
are
not draw
separated.
continue mountains. These
South
are
Indian
separate
rivers.
mountains separated by many rivers like Mahanadi,
These are not
Krishna,
counted
Godavari,
to
Penna,
continuous
and
mountains.
Kaveri. So
These are called east.
Eastern Ghats, highest peak, Arayakonda, is located in Chintapalli
Okay, Eastern
District-
Ghats are not continuous
district in
mountains.
Visakhapatnam. Chintapalli in
highest
Visakhapatnam
mountain
district.
In Eastern Ghat is
Arayakonda,
located in
Chintapalli in
Visakhapatnam district.
Visakhapatnam district.
Visakhapatnam district, Arayakonda. Highest mountain peak.
Arayakonda,
The height is 1680 meters.
1680 meters, the height of Arayakonda.
So in Western Ghats,
The border of
Eastern Ghats
Deccan
and Western
Plateau.
Ghats,
The Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats join together at
mountains
the
are
mountain range is that is Nilgiris.
These are Nilagiri Hills.
Nilgiris, south side of Deccan Plateau. Nilgiri,
Nilgiris.
very important in exam point of view. Nilgiri mountains.
These are Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats joining place.
The highest
The highest
mountain peak,
mountain
highest
in
mountain
Nilgiri
peak in Western Ghat is
It is located in
Annaimudi.
Kerala. It is
Annaimudi.
Hills. In
Annaimudi.
Annaimudi.
The highest peak in Western Ghat in Annamalai Hills, Annaimudi.
Annaimudi.
South Indian
highest mountain
highest
peak
mountain,
in
South India.
Western Ghats. The Western Ghats
Annaimudi,
is the
very
South Indian
important.
highest.
I should identify.
2695 meters height it is.
Highest mountain in Nilgiris,
The highest peak
Dodabetta.
in Nilgiris is the
North side of Annaimudi.
Dodabetta. Okay.
North side of
Dodabetta means
Annaimudi,
near,
little bit.
the Annaimudi, it is located this place.
Dodabetta.
Dodabetta.
Dodabetta is the highest peak in Nilgiris.
So this one is Chennai.
Chennai, once we are identifying,
Chennai straight.
so straight line in the middle. Bangalore, located exactly. Bangalore is the capital of
Bangalore is the capital
Karnataka.
of Karnataka. Near
South side of
the
Bangalore,
Ooty.
Ooty Udgamandalam. So the
Located
hill station,
Ooty
famous hill station in South India. Ooty Udgamandalam, famous hill station in South India. It is located south side of Bangalore.
Mandalam is located there.
So like
some more
in that line we have found all these mountains.
in the map.
We'll go to the another map.
So the
We should identify some more.
Himalaya mountain
map of-
ranges
Once we
divided
have
into two,
observe the
three
parallel ranges.
parts. These are the Himadri,
Himadri, Lesser Himalayas, Outer Himalayas or
outer
Shivaliks.
Himalayas.
Also called as
So
Shivaliks. Like
Himadri.
3 mountain ranges. Himadri.
Second one is
Lesser Himalayas or Himachal.
Lesser Himalayas,
Or Himachal.
and third one is outer
Outer Himalayas or Shivaliks.
Outer
Himalayas,
Himalayas are also called as
Shivaliks.
Shivaliks.
Shivaliks are
Shivaliks are
called
called in
different names in
different
different places.
places.
Shivaliks, Himalaya mountain ranges called in Assam. These are called as Kachar Hills.
Kachar Hills located here.
Outer Himalayas also spreaded in Assam. There, these are called
In
Kachar
Arunachal
Hills.
Pradesh,
In Arunachal Pradesh, these lesser Himalayas are called as Mismi Hills.
in Arunachal
In Arunachal Pradesh, these are called as Mismi Hills.
Mismi
Mismi Hills.
Hills.
In
Arunachal
Jammu,
Pradesh,
these are called as Jammu
Jammu,
Hills.
these are called as
Lesser
Jammu
Himalayas
Hills.
are called different places in different names. In
Jammu
Jammu, these are called as Jammu Hills.
Hills.
Jammu Hills.
So outer Himalayas, Shivaliks are called different names in different
Yeah.
places, like Mismi Hills, Kachar Hills,
Kachar Hills and Jammu Hills.
And
See, these
also
three are
very
the important parallel ranges.
We should identify.
Now we'll go to
So this
the
is the
Indian
W
Standard
shape I
Time.
told you.
82.5 degrees
So this
east
one is
longitude
Godavari Delta.
is considered to be as the Indian Standard Time.
This one is Krishna Delta.
We'll identify. First, initially, we are identifying some
Godavari
delta
Delta.
areas in Andhra Pradesh region. The
Kakinada
Godavari
is
Delta.
located here, Kakinada.
Near Godavari Delta, Kakinada
So exactly from
town is there.
Kakinada, we should.
Small town.
So this is
City,
the
Allahabad.
Allahabad.
So actually, we are identifying IST, Indian Standard Time. How can easily we can identify? It is the better way.
I should like this.
So near Allahabad, it is passes through the Indian Standard Time.
This is,
In Andhra Pradesh
82
through Kakinada, it is
82.5
moving.
degrees.
82.5 degree east longitude is considered to be as Indian Standard Time.
Longitude.
It is passes through the Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, in Andhra Pradesh is
considered to be
Kakinada,
Indian Standard Time.
Indian Standard Time.
IST. Draw the IST means
Very
you
important.
should draw like this. So you should identify
Map pointing, India
Kakinada,
map pointing.
and otherwise you should have to identify Allahabad.
Okay.
So like
Yamuna, Ganga join
this
at
one is
Allahabad.
Ganga, this one is Yamuna.
Later it
This one,
moves towards
the
east
Brahmins.
and entered in
So like you have to identify
Bangladesh.
this one is also Tropic of Cancer.
Tropic of Cancer
Is also very
is very important. It
There are
divides
some more
Earth.
points, West
It
Bengal and
divides
East
India
Bengal.
into two equal halves.
railway interganglic plain.
So
Like,
very important.
Hooghly
The
River.
Tropic of Cancer.
This
So
one
that
is
is Damodar.
the Hooghly
Hooghly River.
Hooghly River.
Hooghly River. Jute industry was concentrated
Hooghly
around
River.
the Hooghly River. Hooghly River.
Next
There in
Damodar
West
River.
Bengal. West Bengal.
Damodar River.
is there.
Damodar.
River Damodar.
River Damodar.
Also one of the
Damodar
important.
River.
River Damodar and River
Damodar River and Hooghly River are two tributaries are located there. And the
Godavari
Ganga
moves
River
towards
was
east.
joined, entered in the Bangladesh.
The
There
point is
it
called as Farakka.
It is called as the
Ganga River
Farakka.
enters
Farakka.
entrance place of Bangladesh Farakka.
It is called as Farakka, so joining place. So Ganga River moves towards east, entered into Bangladesh. There it is called as the Farakka. And Hooghly River, Damodar River are the tributaries of Ganga. Mahadev Hills we have identified already. Nallamalla Hills.
Yeah. The part of Eastern Ghats, Nallamalla Hills,
Nallamalla Hills.
Nallamalla Hills, Shashachalam Hills later, Velikonda, Palakonda Hills also same line.
Shashachalam Hills.
Nallamalla Hills later, Shashachalam Hills in Chittoor district, Shashachalam Hills in Chittoor district, Shashachalam Hills, Nallamalla Hills,
Velikonda Hills.
Velikonda Hills, Velikonda Hills,
It's also in the Eastern Ghats, the part of Eastern Ghats.
part of Eastern Ghats.
These are all mountains and we have identified already. This is
Chennai,
Chennai,
capital of
straight line, divided
we have identified the
Kerala.
Kerala, Mangalore,
So this is
sorry, yes, Mangalore.
Mangalore. So here some
Kerala.
mountain regions are there.
In Kerala, the Cardamom Hills are located. Only in Kerala.
Cardamom
Cardamom Hills in Kerala.
Cardamom.
Where the Cardamom Hills located?
Cardamom Hills.
Cardamom Hills located in Kerala. Means Palani Hills
Palani
in Tamil Nadu. Palani Hills in Tamil Nadu.
Cardamom Hills and Palani Hills.
In Tamil Nadu. The north side of Cardamom Hills little bit over. We have one Annaimudi Hill. North side of
Peninsular
Annaimudi.
Plateau. What is an Peninsular Plateau means this entire part come under the Peninsular
Peninsular
Plateau
Plateau
only.
after
So Peninsular
Indo-Gangetic
Plateau
Plain.
means
Peninsular Plateau is also a very important
you
location.
have to write like this. Okay. Peninsular Plateau.
Peninsular Plateau.
Leh.
Leh,
Leh is one of the
place in Jammu and Kashmir region. Leh,
point in
Ladakh
Indian map.
region. Leh in Ladakh region. So Jammu and Kashmir 317 article was cancelled and Jammu and Kashmir state
So one of
was
the tributary
changed into
Indus is Sutlej.
Sutlej River. Sutlej is one of the tributary of Indus.
Sutlej River, one canal was
Attached to Sutlej River
Constructed.
canal was constructed.
This
Indira
was-
Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi
Indira Gandhi.
Canal. Longest canal in India.
Indira Gandhi Canal.
Longest
length
canal in India. 650 kilometers. 650
650
kilometers.
kilometers.
Mostly it
Indira
is
Gandhi Canal
flowing
is located largest canal
towards
in India.
It is mostly it is flowing
It is located
through the Rajasthan and Punjab.
Rajasthan
Most
and
Rajasthan and
Gujarat
Punjab.
Some other districts.
It is flowing Rajasthan and
Rajasthan
Punjab.
mostly benefited by the Indira Gandhi Canal.
Indira Gandhi longest canal in India. 650
Behang
kilometers.
Valley. So this is Brahmaputra.
Brahmaputra River, yes. Brahmaputra
Brahmaputra.
is also called as
So-
Sangpo.
Behind the Arunachal Pradesh,
It is entered into
called as
Arunachal Pradesh,
Dihang.
but behind the Dihang Valley.
behind the Arunachal Pradesh, it is called as
Brahmaputra
the
is also
Dihang
called as
Valley.
Dihang Valley, means behind the
Two
Arunachal Pradesh.
tributaries are there, and Dibang
Dibang
and
and
Lohit
Lohit, two
Dibang and
tributaries
Lohit.
also there.
are the two
Dibang
tributaries.
and Lohit,
Of,
two tributaries. In
Brahmaputra.
Bangladesh, one tributary is there, Meghna. In Bangladesh, one tributary is also there in Meghna. Near downside of Padma River, it is there, Meghna. So like three tributaries, you can Dibang, Dihang, Lohit,
Ladakh.
and
So Leh, this place, and Ladakh.
now we are identifying Ladakh.
So
One of
now
the
present,
union territory now.
Region was
Ladakh,
divided
one of the
into
union territory. Jammu is another
two.
union territory. State was changed
Jammu and
into two
Kashmir
union
state divided
territories.
into two union territories, one Ladakh
Jammu and
and
Kashmir
one
state
Jammu.
changed into two union territories. One Jammu Union
Jammu
Territory and
Union
Ladakh
Territory.
Union Territory.
Jammu and Kashmir union territory and Ladakh
Union
is the
Territory.
one union territory. Now present it was divided. Hiware Bajar. So now see.
Now see the Mumbai is the capital of
Mumbai.
Maharashtra. Near Mumbai in
Here in
Sahyadri
Mumbai.
Mountains are also there in Mumbai side. Sahyadri Mountains. Hiware Bajar.
One
Hiware Bajar.
richest
One of
village
the prosperous village in India. Which is the prosperous village in India? Hiware
in
Bajar.
India. Billionaires now found there.
Maharashtra government taken
Bajar
Hiware
was
Bajar
appointed
under
it
the
is-
Adarsa Grama Yojana and developed the
Smallest
village.
village, it is
Anna Hazare is the Sarpanch.
After it was implemented, Anna
He is also
Hazare- Anna
Sarpanch.
Hazare
Sarpanch.
Sarpanch
And
was
it was
developed
developed by the state
Bajar.
government under the
Leslie is there
Adarsa
in-
Grama Yojana, Hiware Bajar.
in for
And also
one is also
the sugar cane
this one is Satara.
producing famous place, Satara. Sugar cane producing
Yes.
famous. So this is the
Kasargod.
Kasargod. Kasargod means the Kerala government
Kasargod.
was spray the pesticide. Due to that, the air pollution took place. So many people were died. So Kasargod, that one. Let us see. This is Mahanadi River. Mahanadi River, one
River
of the
Mahanadi, sorry.
flows towards
Very, very important.
Odisha. Mahanadi River.
River
River Mahanadi.
Mahanadi. Okay.
River Mahanadi.
So these
So
are the
this-
important locations of India. I hope you can practice it well. So thank you one another.